In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add knowledge in Manus AI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to make sure your assistant can draw on the context that matters to you. First, open your browser and head to manus.im/app. For the smoothest experience, use a modern desktop browser. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can access your workspace. Once the app loads, move your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. That's where you'll find your profile menu. It usually appears as your avatar or your initials. Click it to open a small drop-down. This menu is your gateway to all account-level controls. From that drop-down, choose Settings. The Settings area is where you configure how Manus AI behaves for you, including preferences that impact how your assistant responds. Inside Settings, look for the Personalization section. Click Personalization to open the Personalization Center. Think of this area as the place where you align the assistant with your voice, your needs, and your organization's context. It centralizes options like tone, profile details, and, most importantly for this video, your knowledge base. Next, select Knowledge. This brings you to the dedicated space for managing the information your assistant can rely on. In practical terms, Knowledge is your private reference library. Adding high-quality, relevant content here helps Manus AI produce answers that reflect your facts, policies, and terminology rather than generic information. Now add your knowledge. You'll see controls to create a new entry or add content. Use this to input the material you want the assistant to reference, things like product specifications, standard operating procedures, FAQs, or key policies. Give each entry a clear, descriptive title so it's easy to find later. When pasting text, prefer final approved versions over drafts, and remove anything you don't want surfaced. Keep entries focused and scoped. Smaller, well-titled chunks are easier to maintain and typically perform better than one massive document. If you see options for categories, tags, or visibility, set them thoughtfully so the right people and use cases benefit from the content. Before you finish, skim for sensitive information and either sanitize or omit it. When you're satisfied, confirm or save your changes so the new knowledge is stored. That's it. You've navigated to Manus AI, opened your profile menu, entered settings, moved into personalization, selected knowledge, and added the material that will guide your assistant. Keep your knowledge base current and well organized, and you'll get more accurate, context-aware responses every time you use Manus AI.